Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your air filter, and this is on a Ford Escape. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down in the corner. Also, give this video a thumbs up. We just got a few bolts holding it on. There's one there, one right there, one right down there, and then one right here in the front. Get those 4 bolts removed, and we can get the air filter out. Alright guys, once you get those bolts undone, by the way, those are 8mm, and there's 4 of them. Let's see, once you get those done, simply lift the cover up off. And then pop the air filter up out of there. And there you go, guys. That's how you remove the air filter. And like I said, we're going to replace this one. But this is the factory filter that's from Ford. And we're going to replace it. And then you just repeat the process putting it back in. Hopefully y'all found this video useful on how to change your air filter. Like I said, this is on a Ford Escape. And this is a 1.6 EcoBoost engine. Make sure y'all subscribe. You'll hit the thumbs up button. You'll have a great day.